How to resize your videos vertically on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device, then click on New Project. Choose the video which you want to resize. Then after in the project section, unselect the video and scroll. Click on aspect ratio. Now in vertical, we have three aspect ratios. The first one is 9 is to 16. After selecting that, you can simply drag your video around it to fit it. Then after we have 5 is to 8. In that too, you can size your video according to your like. And the last ratio that we have is 3 is to 4. So by using this aspect ratio, you can simply resize your video vertically on CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.